it's easy to add machinery, in manufacturing because people can look at it and go, "Yep, I get it. The new machine's 20% faster. That's fine."
Right.
As soon as you start messing with processes, which is really where we are, and even take it down a step further, you start messing with who has access to and can make decisions around information. Now you're screwing with people's, now it's getting personal. So if you're going to start kind of redistributing the information and the decision making, the first thing you got to do is go back and reestablish trust. Because chances are those same folks, if they've been there any length of time, have probably been through more than one management fad of the month. Here's something. Like you said, now we're going to find my why. And in most cases, that's let's face it. You go to the trade organizations, and whoever the manufacturer is with the biggest lake house has the most people listening to them that work for their business. It might not necessarily work for your own. So part of it's some soul searching on the leadership side. Part of it is some very frank conversations. I spend a lot of time talking to the operating people on the floor. I don't, once we've had the initial introductions, I don't want the owner shadowing me while I go around. When I ran factories, if I really wanted to know what was going on, I'd go have a cigarette on the shipping dock, because the tool makers would be out there grumbling, and I'm like, what's going on? And it was like I'd hear stuff I'd never hear,
Right.
from anybody else. So you've got to. It really is very much about reestablishing communication, connection, and trust, and being honest about where you're at. From there, you need. With that, you take the whole organization forward with you. It doesn't have to go fast, but if you've got 10, 20, 50, or 100 people all taking one step forward, that's colossal change in an organization.